Do you use one of these cell phone carriers? We hope so. Because they all work with Renny, the only free home phone option that allows you to use your cell phone as your home phone, so you will never miss another call. You can't get rid of your cell phone, right? So make it your only phone bill, and don't pay a penny more for anything else. All other phones have hidden taxes and monthly fees. Renny doesn't use any extra equipment to work. Just Renny and your cell phone. That's all, nothing else. Renny, the smart home phone. Are you tired of missing cell phone calls when you're at home because your phone is on silent, vibrate, or missing around the house or garage?
Well, I've got the solution for you. Hi, Paula Pendley here with Renny Home, the standalone base station and smartphone ringer that automatically connects wirelessly to your mobile phone so you will never miss a call again. The Renny product line from Olin's Technology has 3 different models to choose from. The entry-level Renny Jr. is a loud external ringer for one smartphone with built-in selectable ringtones, text and email notifications, the ability to stream music, and more. The Renny Original Smartphone Hub and Ringer connects 2 phones at the same time, adds portability, a hands-free speakerphone, and more. And the top-of-the-line Renny Home is the first complete smartphone management system for any home or office, which adds hands-free answer, name announce, a ring-only mode, and much more. Here's how they work. Renny is always on and ready, so when a call comes into your cell phone, even if it's on silent, vibrate, or far away, Renny will not only ring to let you know you have an incoming call, but will also announce who's calling. Renny's hands-free feature allows you to answer a call without having to find your phone. Hey, Teray.
Hey, Paula.
Oh, I can't wait to see you.
Well, I was thinking about what I wanted to make for dinner.
Want to get rid of your expensive landline? Go for it. Renny doesn't use any landlines and only works with your mobile phone, so there are no monthly fees associated with the Renny. Renny, your smartphone's best friend.
Visit landlinereplacement.com for more information.